In today's video, I'm sharing with you the top Amazon deals. I have several new items you're not going to want to miss. Now, you guys know the Stanley Cup is such a viral cup, but I have to say it really is a good cup. I mean, when I put ice in there in the morning, it stays in there all day. It keeps my drink nice and cold. So I do love this Stanley Cup, and I know it's gonna last for so many years. Now, another fun thing you may want to consider with your Stanley is this pouch to put around the outside of it. Now, why would you want this? That Stanley Cup can be quite big, but maybe you're going somewhere where you don't want to have a purse with you. You can put this little pouch on the outside, and you could put things like your phone in there, your keys, or maybe just a credit card. This would be great to have with you going to the gym or just to run errands, and this little pouch is on sale. Whenever the weather changes and gets a little bit warmer or colder, I like to buy a few new pieces, and this was one that I picked up in the fall. And I have to say, of all the sweatshirts I picked up, this is probably my favorite. Now, I picked up the brown. I'm considering getting it in some other colors, but it's such a good deal and so soft. Uggs have been popular for years, but this year in particular, the Ugg slipper has been so popular. I know they would make such a great gift for anyone on your list. I picked them up kind of in the traditional style with the red around the edges, and I love wearing them. Honestly, they feel like you're wearing slippers. They're so comfortable. If you're needing a pair of boot socks that aren't too bulky that you could wear with tennis shoes or maybe your different slide-on shoes, this pack of 3 is a great deal. It often goes on sale and you can get it in multiple colors. I recently picked up this gorgeous bench off of Amazon. Amazon has a ton of furniture options, and I have several furniture items linked in my Amazon storefront. We'll link that for you down below as well. You would just go to my home favorites and you'll see all the items that I have from my home. But this bench is one that I definitely recommend. I've never shown it to you guys before, so I wanted to include it in today's video. Now, I want to show you guys where you can find all these products that I'm going to be telling you about in today's video. So the first place you can find them is in the description box of my video. So there's going to be an arrow right here. Click that arrow, and then the description box is going to drop down. Each one of these products I'm talking about are going to have a link next to them that you can click on them, and it'll take you directly to the product. Another place you can find all these products are in the comments of this video. I am going to pin all of the products in the first comment of the video, so you can go down and check the comments for any of these products. So hopefully you can find what you're looking for. My set of cutting boards is by the brand Gorilla Grip. I love that you can use both sides of them. They're also dishwasher safe and BPA free. If you live in an area where you need to be using reusable grocery bags, consider getting these. These are some of my favorite. What I love about them is they're compact. So if you have to store them in your car, they're not gonna take up a lot of space at all. But when you open them up, they're great for holding all of your groceries. You can bring them in and out of your house so easily. This set of teardrop earrings has been so viral this fall. I originally picked them up in the gold. Now I have them in the silver. They're just such a unique, pretty earring, and I think they would look great on anyone. If you're gonna be in a cold climate this winter, you're gonna need a warm hat, and I have found this Carhartt hat to be very warm. I have it in multiple colors, but this is my go-to hat for the winter. I have a favorite rug brand here on Amazon, and I've bought so many rugs. The rug in my bedroom is by this brand, and then I also have them in several other areas of my house. The reason I love them is because they're screen printed. They have this cool vintage style to them, and they come in so many different sizes. So if you're needing some rugs for your home, check this link out and look at all the different selection they have. Another thing to keep in mind when you're buying a rug is considering getting this Never Curl. This is something that I used to not use, but since I have found this product, I think it's a great product. If you have rugs that curl up on the edges, what you can do is you can stick this Never Curl on the edges, and it's going to help hold your rug in place. This time of year, I'm all about comfy pants that I could wear around the house or even as pajamas. This next one, now I have had this one for years. I have it in 3 different colors, but what I love about it is the wide leg pant. It also has a super comfortable waistband on it, and I cannot recommend it anymore. If you're needing a good oversized sweatshirt that you could wear with leggings, I have a good option for you. This sweatshirt I bought in a medium, and you could see how big it is on me, but it looks great with my leggings. This next item is a tank that I found this year that you can buy in a 3-pack. It's perfect for wearing underneath all of your sweaters. I have this white sweater that I wear it underneath and it works great. You can also wear it as a bra underneath different items. In the summer, I wear it as a bra underneath my dresses. I feel like for a 3-pack of tank/bras, it has a great price point. Do you guys use Dawn Power Wash? I love using it to clean my counters, my sink. It's great on my dishes. And on Amazon, you can buy a Dawn Power Wash and all of the refills at such a good price. The Rubbermaid Power Scrubber is that tool that I love for my kitchen. It's like a really high-powered electric toothbrush. It does a great job of scrubbing areas that are hard to get stains off of. Places I like to use it are on tough stains in my fridge. I also love to use it on my cabinets and grout. This pink car cleaning gel makes a great stocking stuffer, and it's perfect for cleaning up hard to reach areas, especially in your car. You could just keep it in your car, pull it out, and you can run it on your dashboard or all of your different knobs. It's also great for cleaning electronics like your laptop or things that you can't spray cleaner in. This next gadget was probably one of my favorite finds this year. It's this rose gold toilet brush. Now, I actually picked it up in rose gold and in silver, but I have to tell you, this is probably the best invention as far as a toilet brush goes. It has rubber bristles and they're very flexible, so it does a great job with cleaning. I also love how slim and compact it is. You can fit it into small spaces. The other thing is the holder for the toilet brush has holes at the bottom, so it's going to drain out any liquid. I mean, it's such a smart design. If you like a turtleneck, I want you to consider this next one. This is kind of my go-to turtleneck in the winter. I have it in the black color. I also have it in a cream color. It looks great with leggings and boots. You can really dress it up, dress it down. It's one of those sweaters that you can wear all day and be comfortable, but you could also wear it out for a date night. If you want to wear a bra that does not feel like a bra in 2024, this is the one you need to pick up. It's by the brand True & Co. And I have to tell you, I have probably 4 different styles in this bra. It's super comfortable. I will link to the different ones I have down in the description box, but I have different ones from like the razorback style to just the regular bands. But whatever material they use on it, it's so comfortable. You don't even feel like you're wearing a bra, but you have enough support. My makeup brush set is such a good deal. There's 18 pieces and you can do a full face of makeup. You have face brushes as well as your eye brushes. I feel like I tend to use it more to do my eyeshadow with. It also comes in a case and this is great for gift giving. If you're needing a good eco-friendly gift, I love these reusable makeup pads. They're always on such good deal on Amazon. This is what I use along with some micellar water to take off my eye makeup at the end of the day. You can wash them up and you no longer have to buy those cotton pads. So I've kind of been doing different things with my nails this year. One of the biggest things I've changed up is I've been doing gel nails. And if you go to the salon to get gel nails done, they can be kind of pricey. So I found this kit on Amazon where I could do it all at home and it's so affordable. You get 32 polishes, the light, and all these accessories to go along with it. It's so easy to do. My girls do it on their nails and it saves a ton of money because we don't have to go get our nails done. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment the word of the day, which is Amazon. Let me know down in the comments, all my crafting friends, if you own this spray paint turntable yet. Now this you've seen in most of my DIY videos. I love it so much. I think I have 4 of these and I need them because for all of my DIY projects, but it makes spray painting so much easier. You can spray paint and turn it so you don't have to get your hands all messy. And if you've ever gotten spray paint on your hands, it takes forever to wash it off. The other great thing I like about it is you can pick it up and move it inside to your garage if it's cold outside. If you're gonna be traveling this next year, consider getting this travel phone holder. This is something I really enjoyed traveling this year. What I love about it is it's so flat so it doesn't take up any room on your carry-on, but then when you're on a plane or wherever you're traveling, you can fold it into different configurations so your phone screen can be propped up. One of the worst things when you're traveling is when you get to a hotel and they have like 2 hangers. It's so frustrating because I like to hang my clothes up when I get there so they're not wrinkled. I found this set of foldable travel hangers and I wasn't sure if I was gonna like them, but I have to tell you, I love them. They come in a set of 10. You can get them in different colors, but they fold up really compactly in your suitcase, and then when you get to your destination, you can pull them out and use them as regular hangers. This electronic organizers is one of my best sellers here on Amazon. It comes in multiple sizes. Now, originally, I think people buy it for travel because it's great. It's got all these tiny little compartments so you can put all of your chargers and your batteries and different things in there. If you're somebody who travels to and from work, I also think it's great to have, like for us, for all of our camera equipment, it's nice for our batteries. I can just throw it in my work bag or my laptop bag. Now, this next item you may be thinking, Liz, we can't be talking about tank tops. It's December, but I have to tell you, this tank top is the perfect basic for putting underneath your blazers, your sweatshirts, so many different things. I have it in 4 different colors. I love it so much. I would say my favorite is the black. I probably wear that the most often, but I also have it in pink, gray, and white. It's the perfect basic you need in your wardrobe. There's a great deal right now on my tank top hangers. Now, if you're somebody who hangs up all of your tank tops and they take up way too much space in your closet, these hangers make great sense because you can hang up your tank tops. I think you can put 8 on them at a time. This is also great for organizing your bras and you don't take up as much space in your closet. Such a good invention. I tried to narrow down what shoes I thought were my most popular from the year. This set of New Balance shoes has probably been my favorites. They've definitely been my most worn. I have it in 2 different colors, so I love that you can get a color that's gonna coordinate with your outfits. They have the big ends on the side, but the best part is they're super comfortable. You can wear them all day long. I wear a lot of tennis shoes and I need socks that aren't going to show. I love the no-show style socks, but I have to tell you, I've tried so many different styles, and when I put them on and then put my tennis shoes on, the socks will fall down and they're really uncomfortable. I found this brand called Ped Socks and they have a gel trim on the inside and it helps the sock to stay up. I don't know how it works, but every time I put them on with my tennis shoes, my socks stay up all day. So I definitely recommend these and think they're great to have. This year I came across these sneaker erasers on Amazon. Now, if you have a lot of white shoes or your kids have them, these are great to wet and remove any scuff marks that you may have on your shoes. Do you buy those big laundry soap containers and have trouble with that cup getting soap and goopy and it's just no fun? I found this solution off of Amazon. It's a plastic shelf. You can put the laundry soap onto that shelf and then your cup you just set on the lower shelf. That way, anything that's gonna fall out of the opening is gonna go directly into your cup. That's gonna prevent so much mess and just from mess getting all over your laundry room. And it's just one of the best hacks I've found from Amazon. I do not like to spend a lot of time cleaning, so these dusting gloves make the job so much easier. You can dust all the surfaces in your house, but they're also great for dusting your blinds. These motion sensor puck lights are so great for areas where you walk into with not a lot of hands. I put these in my closet and anytime I walk in my closet, the light automatically goes on. It's great when you just need a little bit of light and you don't want to have to worry about turning one on. With the new year coming up, organization is definitely something that I am going to be focused on. And one of my favorite organization products that I haven't really found anywhere but Amazon are these clear shelf dividers. Now, if you have shelves in your closet, especially if you're putting clothes on them, these work so great because you can stack up your clothing and then put these shelf dividers to divide everything up. And I have to say, I've had these in my closet now for years and they really do a great job of helping to keep me organized. At the beginning of last year, these bamboo organizers went viral, but I am still using mine today and I definitely think they're worth it. These are great to put in your drawer to organize all of your Ziploc baggies. You can also organize things like your plastic wrap and your foil. One of my favorite things I bought to organize my home this year was this pull-out organizer underneath my sink. Now you do have to screw it into your cabinet, but don't let that stop you because it really just screwed in super easily. The reason you want to screw it in is it's pretty heavy duty and you can pull it in and out. That's one of the biggest problems with underneath your sink is it's kind of this black hole. And so the fact that you can pull out what you need, it just makes it so much more usable. If you like to start new plants, or maybe you have plant starters in your kitchen, consider getting this plant terrarium. It goes on deal a lot on Amazon, and it's just so pretty. It looks great sitting out on your countertop and a great way to store your new plants. Have you guys heard of the Scrub Daddy duster? Now, Scrub Daddy has several products, but this is a great way that you can dust different surfaces in your house. You just get the product wet and then you can use it to dust all over your house in hard to reach areas. I'm using it here in my pantry. These USB wall outlets come in a pack of 2 and they're such a good deal on Amazon, way cheaper than you could get them at any big box store. Now, why would you want these? Well, one, you have a normal outlet, plus you have 2 additional USB chargers. So you can actually plug 4 things into one outlet. So it's great for different charging stations you may have. This USB candle lighter is a must-have for me in the winter months. I love lighting candles in my room and it's so easy to use. All you have to do is plug it into your USB charger and then you can use it. And then when the charge goes out, you just have to recharge it, and it's always on great deal on Amazon. Now again, I will have all the products linked for you in the description box. You want to click the arrow and the description box will drop down. You can look for all the products that are linked there. Another place that I'll put all the products is in the first comment of this video. And don't forget to make sure you subscribe because I want to see you back here, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye.